Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by ensuring both accounts are ready. Open Telegram and Terabox, verify phone and email, and enable two-factor where offered so your data stays secure. Once done, install the official apps and sign in on the same device to streamline transfers. Make sure you allow necessary permissions like storage and notifications. Next, create a clear folder structure in Terabox for incoming files so you won't waste time later. This foundation prevents interruptions when you begin transferring content. You now move files. Open the Telegram chat containing the media or documents, then decide whether to download locally or share directly. To save time, tap Share, choose Terabox from the share sheet, and place items into the target folder. This avoids re-downloading. For many files, compress into a single zip in Telegram's file tools or employ a Telegram bot that supports cloud upload to Terabox. Make sure progress finishes before closing apps, and confirm file integrity after transfer. You finish by verifying each transferred item in Terabox. Open samples, check file sizes and timestamps, and rename or reorganize into folders for easy retrieval. Once verified, generate share links if you need to send files back via Telegram. Adjust permissions to view only when appropriate. If transfers fail, first switch to reliable Wi-Fi, clear app caches, and re-log in to both apps. This resolves most token or permission errors. If problems persist, retry smaller batches to identify.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.